Video number 31. Welcome to this channel. Create a simple motion graphic. Open After Effects. Create new projects and sequences. Type your text. Using the Align window, move it to the center. Select the pen tool. Draw a line in the text range. Decrease the opacity so we can see behind it. Change its color to make it look better. Increase the line thickness to cover the text thickness. From the Strokes section of the Shape layer, place the line cap on the round cap. And line join on round join. Keep working and cover all the text. Add trim paths to the text layer. Animate the end section from 0 to 100. Set the matte track to alpha mode. If the track matte section is not visible, click on Toggle Switches Modes. Very good. Very nice. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.